Join us as we put these packing cubes to the test in this review. I'm Jen from Travels Unfiltered, and it's time to get into it. First things first, let's open them up and see what they have to offer. As we opened the Cipway compression packing cubes, it was clear that they aced it in the quality department. The sleek and durable design of each cube was instantly felt, and you can tell that they are made from high quality, lightweight nylon, so they've been built to withstand the rigors of travel. We ordered the 5-pack set in the sleek and versatile grey colour, but they're also available in a clean and crisp white and a vibrant, refreshing green. Our 5-pack set includes cubes of varying sizes to accommodate different packing needs, including clothes, shoes, electronics, and even toiletries. In this pack, we received 2 medium-sized cubes with compressed dimensions of 10 by 7 by 1.5 inches and expanded dimensions of 10 by 7 by 4 inches, and 2 large-sized cubes measuring 14 by 10 by 1.5 inches compressed and 14 by 10 by 4 inches when expanded. The set also includes a handy laundry bag measuring at 18 by 13.5 inches. We also want to mention that Cipway sell these compression packing cubes in packs of 3, 5, or 6, so you can choose the pack that best suits your packing style and number of items. Now let's dive into their features. These cubes feature exterior compression double zippers, allowing you to compress your items and create more room in your luggage, making them ideal space savers. The set is made from durable, lightweight nylon fabric, reinforced with double stitching and equipped with robust YKK zippers. These cubes promise long-lasting use. Quick pause. If you're finding this video and the recommendations that we're sharing helpful, please do us a favour and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest travel recommendations and videos. Your support helps us to continue exploring and sharing these amazing places with you. Thanks for being a part of our travel community. Now, let's get back into the video. The Cipway compression packing cubes aren't just durable, they're also multifunctional. The water-resistant nylon material they're made of includes an odour control feature, making them great for packing sweaty or smelly clothes without worrying about cross-contaminating other items. While these Cipway packing cubes have great features, we should also mention some of their drawbacks. Firstly, overstuffing can strain the zippers and fabric, reducing their lifespan and risking damage to the contents if the zippers fail. Thus, if you're an overpacker, then the compression feature may not suit you. Additionally, even though they're water resistant, these cubes are not waterproof. They can withstand minor moisture, but most won't likely protect against heavy rain or submersion. We recommend storing toiletries in separate bags to prevent leaks, as the cubes might not provide adequate protection. After weighing up the pros and cons, we think that these compression packing cubes are well worth the investment. We've had our fair share of trying out different packing cubes, and we think we've hit the jackpot with these compression cubes. They're not just space savers, they also keep our luggage super organized. Plus, we've noticed that the Cipway cubes are way more durable than others we've tried, especially the zippers, which are top notch. So in our book, they're definitely worth the investment. To purchase a set of these Cipway compression packing cubes, check out the link in the description box of this video. If you're planning your next vacation, then you need to check out our travel tips playlist. It has everything you need to know to make your vacation amazing, like the best luggage sets, flight hacks, and much more. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and videos, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next time!